Welcome to Italy, the land of romance, ancient history, and mouthwatering cuisine. In this captivating journey, we invite you to embark on a sensory adventure as we explore the flavors and sights that make Italy a true gastronomic paradise. From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the bustling streets of Rome and the charming canals of Venice, every step you take will be filled with culinary delights and unforgettable experiences. Rome, where tradition meets innovation. Our first stop is the eternal city of Rome, where the past and present blend seamlessly. Start your day with a traditional Italian breakfast of freshly brewed coffee and flaky cornetto, a sweet pastry that will leave your taste buds craving for more. As you wander through the cobblestone streets, make sure to indulge in the classic Roman pasta dishes like carbonara and cacio e pepe, which are sure to leave you longing for seconds. For a unique twist, try the innovative fusion cuisine offered by contemporary Roman chefs who combine traditional techniques with modern flavors, creating a truly unforgettable dining experience. Florence, a culinary journey through Tuscany. Next, we make our way to the heart of Tuscany, where Florence awaits with its rich artistic heritage and exquisite cuisine. Explore the lively San Lorenzo market, where the aroma of freshly baked bread, savory prosciutto, and local cheeses fills the air. Indulge in a plate of tender bistecca alla Fiorentina, a mouth-watering Florentine-style steak, paired with a glass of renowned Chianti wine. Don't forget to sample the region's famous olive oil and truffles, a true testament to the flavors of Tuscany. Venice, a feast for the senses. Our journey continues to the enchanting city of Venice, where culinary delights await around every corner. Stroll through the narrow streets and savor traditional Venetian cicchetti, small plates of delicious bite-sized snacks, paired with a glass of sparkling prosecco. Take a gondola ride along the picturesque canals and indulge in fresh seafood delicacies, such as sard and sar, marinated sardines, or risotto al nero di seppia, black squid ink risotto. End your Venetian adventure with a heavenly serving of tiramisu, the iconic Italian dessert that originated in this very city. Naples, a slice of pizza heaven. No culinary tour of Italy would be complete without a visit to Naples, the birthplace of pizza. Sink your teeth into a slice of authentic Neapolitan pizza, with its thin, chewy crust, sweet San Marzano tomatoes, and creamy buffalo mozzarella. As you walk through the vibrant streets of Naples, you'll find countless pizzerias serving up this beloved dish. Whether you opt for the classic margherita or explore the adventurous flavors of the marinara or calzone, each bite will transport you to pizza paradise. Don't be surprised if you find yourself in a friendly debate with locals about which pizzeria serves the best slice in town. Bologna, the culinary capital of Italy. Our culinary journey wouldn't be complete without a visit to Bologna, the gastronomic capital of Italy. Known for its rich culinary traditions, Bologna offers a delightful array of local delicacies. Indulge in the iconic ragu alla bolognese, a slow-cooked meat sauce that is the heart and soul of dishes like tagliatelle al ragu. Don't miss the opportunity to taste mortadella, the famous cured meat that originated here, or the luscious tortellini and brodo, delicate pasta parcels filled with flavorful fillings served in a savory broth. Sicily, a fusion of flavors. To conclude our culinary adventure, we head south to the stunning island of Sicily, where a vibrant blend of Mediterranean and Arabic influences has shaped the local cuisine. Dive into the world of arancini, golden fried rice balls filled with various savory ingredients, and savor the unique flavors of caponata, a sweet and sour eggplant dish. Explore the local markets and taste the exquisite cannoli, a sweet pastry filled with creamy ricotta cheese, as well as the refreshing granita, a frozen dessert made with fresh fruit and served with a brioche bun. Italy is a country that celebrates food as an art form, and this journey through its flavors and sights will leave you with a deep appreciation for the culinary traditions that have shaped its rich history. From the iconic dishes of Rome and Florence to the pizza paradise of Naples and the diverse flavors of Bologna and Sicily, every region offers a unique and delectable experience. So, pack your appetite and embark on a tantalizing tour that will leave you craving for more of Italy's unforgettable flavors. Buon appetito!
Thank you so much for watching my travel video. If you enjoyed it, Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. Feel free to leave a comment below and share your own travel experiences or ask me any questions about travel. Again, thank you so much for your support, and I look forward to seeing you in my next travel video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who love to travel.